So, in level 2 math in high school, they expect you to learn the surface area of 3D shapes. So, when you think of 3D movies where things seem like they're um, touchable, that they're like, like they're like real life kind of thing, right? 3D things. So, we got this rectangular prism. So, prism is the same across from each other. So, if I got this is the base, okay, so this is the base. Then if I was standing here and I'm like some person, a little stick man, and I'm in a building, then I'm standing here and I look out to the roof, then the other base would be the same across from each other. Okay, so that's this side and that's this side, right? So this is my base and this is my base. Okay, so if I go and try to draw this myself, so this is the base, and then so if I cut this out and then fold them all together, that would go there and that would go underneath, okay? So this is why we need to review area of rectangles and triangles and blah blah blah, because this becomes slightly more complicated. So we can find the total area. Say you want to spray paint your building. You want to know how much area it is, but it's pretty hard to figure out by measuring, you can't lay out your building, right? That doesn't make any sense. So the total area. So total area is always equal to, oh man, this is the lateral area plus the area of the bases. So if this is the base and this is the base, then all of this is the lateral area. All right? So the lateral area is all along the sides. So this side, this side, this side, this side. It's everything but the bases with a rectangular prism. So it's all the sides around it. All right? So the total area is the lateral area plus the area of the bases. So when you think about this, so here and here, if this was one gigantic rectangle going across, and this is the height of it. See, like height and being like this standing up. So the distance between the bases, we can call the height. And then if I said that I want the perimeter of the base, so this, this, and this, because these things all touch the base. So this touches here, this touches there, so this would go there, and then this would go there, and then this would go there. So if you add up the perimeter of the base, so along here, here, and here, and here, then you'd be able to find the whole lateral area. So say you wanted to paint your house, and you want to know how much paint to get, and this is the shape of your house, it's kind of the shape of my house, then if you found the perimeter of the base of it, then you measured the height of it, then you'd be able to find the whole area of your whole building. So that's where this is useful. Okay, so that's where the conjecture, right? One formula that would allow us to accurately calculate the surface area of all three of these shapes. Okay, so that would be this. The total area, so the lateral area is the perimeter of the base times the height. So PB times H. So the height times the perimeter of the base. And that becomes the lateral area. And of course, if you want the total area, then you'd have to go and add the bottoms too. So you go, but you've already figured out the perimeter of the base, so you've already measured this, so it's just one side times the other side to find that. Then you'll be able to multiply the top. All right?